Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2015 Cadillac SRX Premium Collection all-wheel drive, stock number Z8652A. Only 36,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this SRX brand new, platinum ice in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 4-year, 50,000 mile bumper to bumper and 6-year, 70,000 mile powertrain warranty. The SRX seats 5, leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, rear parking sensors, and power liftgate for convenience. Lots of storage space in the rear. With removable privacy cover, as well as underfloor storage. And of course, very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This premium collection has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power liftgate control, powered seats, power adjustable pedals, memory settings for 2 drivers, oversized panoramic moonroof, large, easy-to-read gauges. This SRX has advanced safety features like forward collision alert, set by buttons on the steering wheel. Leather-wrapped steering wheel is heated, great for those cold winter days. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. Large touchscreen Q infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora radio app. Navigation. 3-zone automatic temperature control. Driver, passenger, and rear heat and air. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio and climate, as well as heated and cooled front seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, and lots of storage space in the armrest. Spacious glove box with auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and power sunshade control. Under the hood, this SRX has a 3.6 liter direct injection V6, 308 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 23 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.